I've spent approximately the last 3 weeks trying to learn Kazakh. What? This video is going to be my reaction. Is it easy? Is it difficult? Maybe even it's impossible. Let's take a look at my progress. If you haven't checked it out already, I have a video where I traveled to Kazakhstan. I might have some videos about my experience living in Ukraine, and you can also see in some of my videos how I can speak Russian. My goal is to be able to conversationally speak Kazakh. Learning any language from zero can seem impossible. There are some things about Kazakh that are surprisingly familiar or easy, but there are also several things that seem so challenging. Let's find out. Let's start out with what I find easy so far. First is the alphabet. I actually prefer the Cyrillic alphabet over the Latin alphabet. I find that from my experience with the Russian alphabet, that it's easy for me to transition to a Kazakh Cyrillic alphabet. And I find that the individual letters are much more accurate and specific in Cyrillic, but not so much in Latin. That also leads me to the cases. The Russian cases feel impossible to me most days, but I'm pretty familiar with how they function and how to use them, because in English we don't use cases, so it's important that I use my experience with Russian to help me learn Kazakh. That also leads me to all of these loan words borrowed from Russian to Kazakh from the Soviet times. Words like vokzal, those kind of words are going to be so important for me to begin to build my vocabulary as I learn Kazakh. A few things that I find unique to Kazakh that I haven't seen in many other languages. One is how poetic it sounds. It almost reminds me of Italian. It seems to flow. I think that's because it's a Turkic language. Also, I'm surprised to find that there's no gender. Is that true? I guess I'll have to find out as I learn. And luckily, Kazakh, kind of like Russian, has a pretty flexible sentence structure. I find that liberating. In English, it's very structured how you can create a sentence. There's almost no flexibility. So that point I will definitely enjoy. And today I found out how easy counting is. It seems so easy. I know that when I teach English, words like 11 and 12, they just blow people's minds. Why do we use 11 and 12 in English? I don't know. Many of these new sounds are not very natural to English, especially American English. The problem that I'm having is that some of the sounds come from deep back in the throat or come from the front of the mouth. Here are some examples. First, for the consonants, there's g, like the English g or Russian g, but there's also the r, which is more of a French r. That becomes challenging for me to remember h and not have some sort of h sound like a softer h, h. It's back, h, not h. I hope that's the difference. Another letter that is actually extremely common is the h, as opposed to the k, as in Kazakhstan or Kazakh. That, specifically, I'm finding very challenging. The difference between k, h, and h, I don't even know if I'm saying them correctly right now, to be honest. So luckily there are only a few consonants that are giving me such trouble. However, I really need to make that mind-mouth connection to make sure that I'm enunciating each of the consonants well. That brings me to the next problem, the vowels. The vowels are probably going to give me the biggest obstacle because my mind doesn't hear them as well as I might need to in order to say them. Let's take a look at some of the difficult vowels. In fact, almost all of them are. I'm just saying. So, is pretty easy. A and E, those all seem pretty easy. They either are a natural English sound or they come from Russian pretty directly, those sounds and even the letters themselves. Here come the tricky ones. O and wo. I think I have those, and there's a little bit of a difference from the front of the mouth to the back of the throat. O, wo. Okay, here come the three most challenging letters. They even look the same aesthetically. They look the same. A small difference, and maybe that's part of my challenge, is that they look so similar that it's hard for my ears to hear the difference when I'm hearing them, when I'm listening to them. There's oo, o, and I'm not sure which is which because I continually mix them around with the different sounds. One is a very Russian oo, I get that, but the other ones are more different portions of the mouth make a similar sound. These two are not that difficult. I just need to remember that what I see as a Russian I is actually an and what I see as an English I is the I sound. So I think so far I've made the connection to switch those around as I'm reading Kazakh. However, I do have some hope as I'm learning more and more phrases and hearing how they're spoken. It seems to me that when Kazakh vowels are grouped together, the sound kind of blends and it's not as clear and cut from each vowel, but the consonants are usually isolated. And so I need to be able to enunciate and pronounce the correct sound. Let me give you one example from my experience with Russian. I still find the mягкий знак and твердый знак nearly impossible to enunciate as I'm speaking. One funny example that I always give is the difference between угол and уголь. I simply cannot differentiate as I'm speaking because the L, let's face it, we have one L sound in English, but the change from L to L is just challenging for me. So I hope that I have more success in Kazakh or that there's some flexibility with a foreigner learning Kazakh. Luckily with Russian, I have experience with cases. Like I said, we don't have them in English, so I hope that I can transfer that experience from the Russian cases to the Kazakh cases. However, cases for an English speaker are still going to be challenging, even with that experience that I have. Something unique to Turkic languages is that they are what linguists call agglutinative, meaning that there are suffixes that get glued to the back of a word to change its meaning within a sentence. Here's an example, and this is what will be challenging for me because these aren't new words like we would use in English, or they're not case endings always as they are in Russian. They're always case endings. So let's look at this example. Here is the word khala, right? That's the standard form. But here is in the city, khalada. So da gets added to the end to change it as a more of a location. But there's also a possessive that can be added to the word to change it even further. Let's see if I can pronounce this correctly. Erboldung kalasangda. I hope I was close. But as you can see, you have the location added to the back of the word, as well as the possessive pronoun type addition to the word. And from what I can see, some words can become very, very long. So I hope that I can begin to understand how all of these suffixes can change the word's meaning. Okay, everybody, it's only been 3 weeks of Kazakh. I hope that some of you can see how I'm really trying to apply myself to learning Kazakh. And as always, don't forget to encourage me in the comments, wish me good luck. Also, if you have any words or phrases that you suggest that I memorize as I progress, please write those in the comments also. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Sabol.